Welcome to this brief guided meditation designed to bring a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. In the next few minutes, we will practice observing our thoughts without judgment, fostering a deeper sense of peace. Begin by finding a comfortable seated posture where you can feel alert and at ease. You may close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze. Let your hands rest naturally on your lap, palms up or down, whatever feels most at ease. Take a deep, slow breath in and release it fully. Feel the gentle movement of your belly as you breathe. Gently direct your attention to your breath. No matter what thoughts or feelings arise, gently bring your focus to the sensation of your breath, the rise and fall of your belly, and the air entering and leaving your nose. Pay attention to what is currently in your mind. Notice any thoughts or emotions present. No matter what your thoughts are about or the emotions they bring, intentionally regard all of them equally, whether they seem profound or trivial. Simply acknowledge them as thoughts. Acknowledge these thoughts and emotions without trying to push them away. Instead, welcome them with neutrality and kindness. You might say, "Hello, thoughts, I see you." Or, "Hi, emotions, I notice you." Gently shift your focus back to your breathing. There's no need to change it. Simply observe the natural rhythm and sensations of each breath. When new thoughts or feelings emerge, recognize them with the same neutral awareness. You might say, "Hello, feelings, I recognize you." Or, "Hi, thoughts, I notice you're still present." Take a slow, cleansing breath, being fully aware of how it feels. You may now open your eyes if they were closed. Finding peace doesn't mean your mind has to be free of thoughts or emotions. It's more about acknowledging and accepting what's happening in your mind without attaching to it. Thank you for meditating with me. My name is Francis. Namaste. See you next time.